Pennsylvania started with the need of employers to be more fully engaged in the workforce development system. We were fortunate that the Department of Labor and Industry took the lead in developing these partnerships and letting local workforce boards really design strategies that really benefited their local workforce.
In New York State, well, we had a couple of homegrown examples of very dynamic sector strategies. And so these were sort of noted, and it was really the Department of Labor in New York State that began initiatives with Workforce Investment Act funds to provide grants for regional sector strategies across our state. So that's how we got started.
I think what we've seen in California is probably a hybrid model of how sector strategies, the impetus behind adopting sector strategies started. Local emergence, understanding how do we bring good practice to scale, and then state level supports. How do we promote and encourage the right kinds of activities to take place based on those good local practices emerging.
How Wisconsin started in the sector initiative was really steal from other states. The impetus was really taking the best practices that were out in the field and making it Wisconsin's own.
Georgia's state sector strategy got started really with the National Governors Association Policy Academy for state sector strategies and also for cluster strategy.
We first birthed regional skills alliances as a means of bringing together the various partners and stakeholders with employers and the leadership.
In Colorado, sector strategy started at 9/11. When we started to realize we needed to shift our thinking on how we prepared individuals for work, how we met employer needs, and how we affected the economy.
Our sector strategies got started when the governor saw issues with allied health sector, which was dominant across the state.
Our state sectors got started with our legislation being passed, SB 238, and that gave the Governor's Workforce Board the initiatives to go ahead and start the sectors.
I have experience in two states, Massachusetts and Washington. Their sector strategies came to the same place but from very different perspectives. Massachusetts in the late 70s, early 80s, there was a huge boom in the computer hardware industry. The governor said, we've got to find a way to give opportunity to our folks to take advantage of these new jobs, and so created an organization to seed development of sector programs. In Washington, it was that our folks weren't able to get the jobs that were available. The training and education wasn't designed to meet the specific needs of employers. So they came to that same conclusion from the Workforce Board, which the governor then embraced.
Really started rolling forward and pulling all the partners together, making sure it happened. It was just kind of chance.